Hello everyone, this is Team 9. Currently, there is a nationwide shortage of cement, causing difficulties at construction sites. Ready-mix concrete companies are limiting production due to the cement shortage, and construction companies are experiencing delays or suspensions due to a shortage of concrete supply. This situation is the result of both policy and economic factors. As a result, the construction of the Hanyang Sujain River Pine apartment has also been greatly affected. So, what is causing the nationwide cement shortage and cement wave phenomenon? There are several complex factors in the occurrence of the cement wave phenomenon.
According to the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport, the inventory of the domestic cement industry has decreased from the usual 1.6 million tons to 650,000 tons. The main cause of the cement supply shortage is the increasing of the cement content in the ready-mix concrete by the companies. The main factor that led to the increase in cement content was the collapse of an apartment building in Hwajeongdong, Gwangju last year. To strengthen stability, the cement content standard was increased by about 10% during the manufacturing process to increase the strength of the concrete.
The biggest problem with reducing carbon emissions in the cement industry is due to the government's pursuit of carbon-neutral policies in 2021. The cement industry is a representative industry for carbon emissions in South Korea. With the many regulations for industries with high carbon emissions due to carbon-neutral policies, facility refurbishment in the cement industry has occurred simultaneously nationwide. The cement industry is currently installing eco-friendly facilities to reduce carbon emissions. Cement factories operate in the winter when construction sites are idle to secure inventory. However, due to insufficient inventory caused by facility refurbishment, supply disruptions have occurred. In addition, unexpected cement demand arose due to a warm winter weather in January and February, which caused the early start of the paving season at construction sites than expected. As a result, cement supply shortages have occurred nationwide.
Some experts argue that pursuing carbon neutrality policies are the main cause of the cement wave phenomenon. In addition, another factor is the economic aspect. When you look at the composition of domestic cement costs, the average of the soft coal accounts for 30%, electricity costs for 20%, transportation costs for 16%, limestone for 12%, and labor costs for 11%. The price of the soft coal has a significant impact on cement costs. The price of the soft coal has skyrocketed because of looser Iranian war. As of the third quarter of 2022, the price of the soft coal per ton was over 3 times higher than the average of 2021. Along with the increase of the soft coal prices, transportation costs have also risen, leading to a significant increase in cement manufacturing costs. To avoid diminishing profits due to the high cost of materials, cement companies have reduced their supply of cement. Now let's look at the cost problems on our construction site that arise from these social and economic issues.
The first problem is the delay in the construction process. Due to insufficient cement supply on the site, the daily construction process is taking several days to complete. This leads to delay in the expected process period. If the construction process is delayed, the additional cost will be occurred, which is the chain reaction of the problem. If the period requiring labor and equipment increases, this will also lead to an increase in additional cost, which is a serious problem for construction companies that consider economic viability.
The second problem is when constructing a single layer. It is necessary to use various types of concrete from different ready-mix concrete companies. Usually, only one company concrete need to be used when constructing a single layer. However, on the current construction site, using concrete from only one company is causing significant delays in the construction process. Therefore, various companies' concrete is being used. The problem with this approach can be divided into two perspectives: stability and responsibility. Firstly, the problem of stability is due to the characteristics of concrete as a material. Depending on the ratio of materials used to make the concrete, the strength of the concrete can be different. If various types of concrete from different companies are mixed, it is difficult to ensure that the compressive strength is consistent throughout all parts of the structure. Therefore, there is a risk of the structure problem. Secondly, from the perspective of responsibility, if there is a problem with the concrete used in a single layer, the responsible company can be held accountable. If concrete of multiple companies is used, it becomes difficult to determine which company has the responsibility. This is also a significant problem on the construction site. Finally, the third issue is that it is not possible to complete the construction of one floor at once. In order to construct a floor successfully, concrete must be laid at once when constructing one floor. However, even if all the concrete from various companies is used, there is not enough concrete supply to construct one floor at once. So the construction of one floor must be divided into multiple periods. When constructing one floor, the goal is to form a safe building structure that considers the interaction with the previous floor. However, if the construction period of one floor is divided, the interaction with the previous floor becomes insufficient, and it is not possible to guarantee the stability. In addition, if the defects occur, the completion of the sections constructed will be different, so the process of resolving defects will be more complicated than usual, which further delays the construction period. Therefore, the problem of stability and completeness cannot be guaranteed while managing cost and time efficiently. Then how are these problems perceived in the site? The Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport and the government have decided to expand domestic supply by maintaining the facility operation rate as much as possible to secure cement domestic supply to respond to the cement wave. However, the cement supply was not properly secured, and as a result, the supply of concrete was not smooth. So the problems in the site were not completely resolved. Due to this situation, the site cannot simply rely on the government solutions. Then what are the solutions expected in the site? According to the expert of Mireasset, the demand for cement is expected to decrease as apartment demand decline. The domestic cement shipment in 2023 is estimated to decrease by 3% compared to 2022, reaching 47.25 million tons. In addition, it is judged that the decrease in the SOC investment due to the decrease in new apartment sales and government budget cuts is likely to be a cause of the decrease in cement shipments. Unfortunately, in the current construction site, there is no clear solution, so they are expecting an increase in the amount of concrete supplied. Depending on the decreasing construction sites, in the second half of the year to reinforce and solve the aforementioned problems. This phenomenon is occurred because the prevent age is 2023, not just the cement wave. There will be many issues that can occur during construction. However, in this session, our team looked into the most important issues during the construction. Thank you for listening.